In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit Zoho books. A vendor credit is what you record when a supplier issues a credit memo. Maybe you returned items, got a price adjustment, or were overbilled. Creating this properly ensures your payables and inventory stay accurate, and it lets you apply the credit to future bills from the same vendor. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. From the main navigation on the left, open the Purchases section. This is your hub for all spend-related activities, bills, vendors, and of course, vendor credits. Inside Purchases, look for the Vendor Credits option and open it. You'll see a list of existing credits along with their statuses, which is helpful for a quick reference. To add a new one, click New. This opens a fresh vendor credit form. First, choose the vendor who issued the credit. Pick the correct supplier from the dropdown so the credit is tied to the right account. This ensures the credit becomes available to offset that vendor's bills later. Next, enter the credit note number. This should match the number on the document you received from your vendor. Keeping this consistent is important for reconciliation and for quickly finding the credit if questions come up later. You'll also notice the date field on the form. Zoho typically fills it with today's date, but you can align it with the date on the vendor's credit memo if needed. Now select the item. Choose the exact product or service that's being credited. When you pick the item, Zoho can pull in the usual rate and tax settings associated with it. Review the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes so the totals reflect the actual credit you were given. If your vendor credit is for a service or a fee reversal rather than a product, just select the relevant service item in your list. Add notes to provide context. A short sentence like return of damaged units or pricing adjustment for March invoice goes a long way during reviews or audits. Keep the note clear and specific so anyone on your team can understand why this credit exists. When everything looks right, click Save as Open. Saving as open means the credit is finalized and ready to be applied against the vendor's current or future bills. You'll see it listed in vendor credits with an open status confirming it's available to use. That's it. Purchases, vendor credit, it's new. Choose the vendor, add the credit, note number, select the item, include a helpful note, and save as open. Follow these steps each time you receive a vendor credit, and your records will stay clean, accurate, and easy to reconcile.